Is your Maytag Neptune dryer refusing to start? This video provides a rapid troubleshooting guide focusing on the most common culprits: the door switch, start button, and power supply. We'll quickly diagnose each component to get your dryer running again. The door switch is often the culprit when a Maytag Neptune dryer won't start. This safety mechanism ensures the door is properly closed before operation. The door switch completes an electrical circuit only when the door is fully latched, preventing the dryer from running with an open door. First, visually inspect the door switch for misalignment or physical damage. Ensure the door latches properly. Second, unplug the dryer for safety. Carefully bypass the door switch with a jumper wire. Use extreme caution with electrical components. Third, if the dryer starts after bypassing, the switch is faulty and needs replacement. Part numbers vary by model, costing $20 to $50. If the door switch checks out fine, the problem may be with the start button. Over time, the electrical contacts inside the button can wear down from repeated use. First, always unplug the dryer to avoid electrical shock. Safety is crucial when working with appliances. Next, locate the start button on the control panel and access the button assembly, usually by removing the panel cover. Now, use a multimeter set to continuity mode to test the button. Place probes on the button contacts and press the button. Continuity means there's an electrical connection. The multimeter should beep or show a reading if the contacts are good. If not, the contacts have worn out. Here's an example of worn switch contacts, similar to what can happen in the start button. If there's no continuity, the button assembly needs replacement. These parts typically cost between $15 and $30. Power issues are a frequent cause of Maytag Neptune dryer starting problems. First, verify you're getting 110 to 120 volts at the outlet. Use a multimeter to check the voltage level. Check the dryer's fuses and thermal cutoffs for continuity using a multimeter. Look for blown fuses that may result from power surges. Blown fuses often result from power surges or faulty thermal protectors. Inspect the wiring connections carefully. Unplug the dryer for 5 to 10 minutes to reset thermal protectors and allow capacitors to discharge. If issues persist after these checks, it may indicate a problem with the power board that requires professional repair. When basic checks don't resolve the issue, Neptune dryers may show error codes on their display. These codes provide clues about what's wrong. For example, PF indicates a power failure. Always consult your dryer's manual for the full list of error codes. If error codes point to the control board, this is a more serious issue. Control boards can fail due to power surges or component wear. These require professional diagnosis because improper handling can cause further damage. When troubleshooting a Maytag Neptune dryer, avoiding common mistakes is crucial for safety and success. Always unplug the dryer before any repair to ensure your safety. Avoid working on energized circuits to prevent electric shock, which can be extremely dangerous. Double-check part numbers before ordering replacements to avoid costly mistakes. Many starting issues cascade from one component to another, so comprehensive diagnostics are key to identifying the root cause. A multimeter is your best friend for testing electrical components accurately. Knowing when to call a professional appliance repair technician versus replacing your Maytag Neptune dryer can save you time and money. First, if you're uncomfortable working with electrical components, don't attempt repairs yourself. Call a qualified appliance repair technician to avoid safety risks. Second, if you've checked the basics like the door switch, start button, and power supply, but the dryer still won't start, it's time to call a professional. Third, Neptune dryers are from the late 90s to early 2000s, with repair costs typically ranging from $100 to $400. Consider if it's worth it compared to investing in a new, more energy-efficient model. Ultimately, about 40% of Neptune owners choose replacement over repair due to the dryer's age and potential for recurring problems. Make your decision based on repair costs, safety concerns, and the benefits of a more efficient modern dryer. The future of dryer repair is moving towards smart diagnostics and sustainability. Newer Maytag dryers already feature app-based systems that predict maintenance needs before issues arise. While older Neptune models lack this technology, upcoming AI-powered apps will pinpoint problems automatically. For now, rely on online resources and DIY guides for Neptune repairs, but expect declining support as these units age. Ultimately, sustainability trends encourage replacing them with modern, energy-efficient alternatives.